Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a full review and a little bit of a guide for a money-making website called Super Pay Me. I'm going to talk about who can join the sign-up process, all the different ways that you can make money with this website. I'll go into a little bit of some tips and tricks about how to make more money, and then I'll also talk about my experience and if I would recommend this website, and if I do recommend it, who I think it would be good for. So if you haven't heard of Super Pay Me, it's a standard money-making website. They offer a bunch of different ways to make money, including taking surveys, completing offers, playing games, and watching videos. We'll get into the specifics a little bit later. But also, to just get this part out of the way, it is legit. This website has been around for, I think, about 10 years, since about 2012. They have almost 700,000 users, and they've paid out over $5 million since they first started it back in 2012. So it is completely legit. I kind of wanted to talk about the sign-up process and also who can join. I get a ton of questions about, I'm in X country. I've tried to join some other survey websites, but they don't accept my country. Can you do some videos about international websites? So I'm really happy to say that Super Pay Me is available in every country, literally, and you just need to be 18 years or older to join. That's it. So if you are interested in joining Super Pay Me, you just go to their homepage, you click the join today, and then they have a really short form where you just put in your name, your email, you pick a username and password, you just agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can verify your account by just clicking on the verification email that they send you, and then you can pretty much start using the website. I will say one of the things that they're sticklers about is multiple accounts within the same household. So you can only have one account per household. And I have seen people get their account shut down because they, try to invite their spouse or their parents. So only one account per household. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you my account, and then we're going to talk about a little bit about how it works and then the different ways you can make money. So this is my account. This is what it looks like. This is my homepage. One of the cool features of this that I just wanted to kind of talk about is this little shout box. You can see different users and when they earned money, and you can see what they earned with. And then it has a link. And if you want to try that thing that they did, you can click on it and it'll go to the offer or the survey or whatever, and then you can try it. And it also says when people do their payment requests, you can see people that have been paid. So, and it's pretty much, it's live. So it'll pop up as new events happen. So I think that's pretty cool. So I kind of want to talk about first about how you can make money on Super Pay Me. So one of the biggest things is paid surveys. I'm just going to click on the paid survey section. They partner with a bunch of different third-party companies that offers different survey walls, and then you can see all of them here. There is tons. There's also some down here, and then you can see the most popular daily surveys here. And let's just click on one. So one thing about these survey walls, since they are third party, they don't really connect to your own profile. So for a lot of these, you're going to have to basically answer demographic questions either maybe once or twice when you first start using it, but some of them you might need to enter the demographic questions with each survey. So just keep that in mind. That does add a little bit of time to when you take these surveys, and that does lower your pay rate a little bit, but that's just what happens with these survey walls. That's just what you have to do. Another way that you can make money is through paid offers. So I wanted to direct your attention to this offer wall section. These are also some third-party things, third-party offer walls, and you can just click on them and then see. And these offers, you can either sign up for free, or you might have to do a free trial, or even maybe pay like a small amount for something, and then you can earn points or cash. So as you can see, this one is just a game. You download the game and finish level 146 within 8 days, and then you can get over 800 points. There's different. This one also has surveys, but there's also mobile apps that you can download. And then they have Android and iPhone apps. So if you're interested in doing that, those are the offer walls that are available to you. Super Pay Me also has contests that you can earn money from. So these contests happen quarterly, and basically the people that earn the most money during that quarter, they can earn a cash bonus. So they offer a cash bonus to the top 20 people. So if you make place number 1, you get $350. You get second place $200. Third place gets $100. Fourth through and fifth place, you get $50 each. Sixth through 10th place, you get $30. And then everyone else gets $10. So you don't need to actually enter this. If you do want to try out for these contests, all you need to do is start earning money. And then if you do get in the top 20, you'll see yourself on this leaderboard. Another way you can earn money is through watching videos, and this is through the offer all section. And if you click the Ascend Media and you click on videos, you will see, like I said, you have to do these demographic questions. Oh boy. They do have, as you can see here, they split it up by different categories that you can watch. I didn't see anything about there being a limit to how many of these that you can watch, but for each, these videos are also pretty short. For each video you watch, it seems like you get about 3 points. So you can't earn a ton with these, but if you just want to throw it up on the side while you're doing something else or just in the background, this could be a way to earn some like passive income. Another way that you can earn money, let's see if I can find this again. If you're interested in using SuperPayMe and you end up liking it, they also have a bunch of offers that you can earn some extra cash by promoting it. So this is one of these here. They pay you $2 for making a TikTok video. They also have one where you can earn some cash for making a YouTube video, for following them on Twitter, for leaving a review on Trustpilot, and also for sharing their most recent tweet. So that's an easy way to earn cash if you do end up liking SuperPayMe. You can help promote them. So another way that you can earn money is through referrals. I'll just go here. If you're interested in referring people, they can get a $20 credit when they first join, and you earn 25% of their earnings. So that's actually pretty generous. I've never seen really a referral program like that. I think that's pretty good. So if you do end up liking SuperPayMe, I think it does, definitely share it with your friends so you can earn that referral money. So I kind of wanted to talk about how much you can earn. This varies a lot. Some of the surveys you can earn, $1 to $5, and some of the surveys, they literally give you like 1 to 50 cents. So while you're going through it, definitely look at the different survey walls and paywalls and just be mindful about how long it says it's going to take and also how much money you can make, just to make sure you're actually taking the surveys that are actually worth your time. So for example, I probably wouldn't do this one. That's a little low for, 7 minutes, but I would probably take this one because this is pretty good. Almost $2 for only 10 minutes. That's great. I wouldn't do this one. It's only 68 cents for 15 minutes. So just be aware of the surveys you're taking. Unless you're just trying to grind them out and do as much as you can, then I guess it doesn't matter that much. But if you are limited on time, or if you do want to only do things that are worth your time and worth your while, definitely look at the estimated time and then your pay rate. So I kind of wanted to talk about payments. So there are some like this that actually pay in cash. And then let's see if I can find some of the other ones. I think this is one of them. Yeah. Some offers and surveys pay in cash, and then some of them, as you can see, pay in points. So before you can withdraw your money, you actually need to convert the points to cash, because you can only withdraw cash. You can't just withdraw your points. So I wanted to go here so you can see convert points in cash. So 1 point is equal to 1 penny in cash. And then when I tried out the website, there didn't seem to be like a minimum or maximum for converting your points. It seems like even if you have 1 point, you can convert it to cash. And if you wanted to, I don't know why you would do this, you can convert your cash back to points if you want or need to do that. And then let's talk a little bit about payments. Let's see. They have a bunch of different ways that you can get paid. And they also have something here where you can see the people that have been paid out recently and then their payment method if you are interested. And if you go to the withdrawal section, you can see how you can withdraw your cash. They have an 8-hour payment promise where you get your money within 8 hours of clicking withdraw. So let's just go over the different ways you can get paid. There's just regular PayPal. You just need a minimum of $1, which is probably one of the best I've seen out of all these different like survey and make money websites. You only need a minimum of $1 to withdraw through PayPal, and you can get it within 8 hours. They also have instant PayPal, but you can only withdraw a maximum of $50 daily through this. It also has a $1 minimum. You can use Skrill, but that is a minimum of $5, but you do get that also within 8 hours. They also have Bitcoin, but you need a minimum of $30 in your account to do that, and then also is delivered within 8 hours. And as you can see, none of these have a fee to withdraw, so that's also great. They used to have Wise on here. I think Wise you needed like a minimum of $20. And then that's also delivered within 8 hours. But I think that also had like a 1.5% fee or something. But PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, no fee to withdraw. So as you can see, I've showed you how to use it. I showed you the different ways to make money. And I kind of wanted to talk about, if you're interested in using SuperPayMe, how you can maximize your income. So I just want to show you something. So in the paid surveys and also on the offer walls, they have this thing called popularity. And it's supposed to, I think, show how popular something is. Don't let that sway you at all. Just in my experience, some of these ones that are quote unquote most popular, they didn't really pay out for me, or I got disqualified a lot. Some of these ones that are not as popular seem to be better paying and actually got me some income. So as you try this website, definitely go through all the different paywalls, or as many as you can, just to see which one works for you. Because I definitely had friends that had different demographics from me, and they were having success with different paywalls than me. So just find the one that works for you and definitely work that paywall until there's no surveys. And it might not be the one you think. It might not be a more popular one. It might be a lesser one. But definitely try as many as you can just to see which ones give you the most money for your time, and also have the most surveys available for you. Another thing I want to direct your attention to is the offer walls. I think these are a really good way to make money. There's also a ton of different offers, and I'm not just talking about like just the videos, but I mean like literally trying out a lot of these apps and a lot of these signups, because a lot of these are free. As you can see, a 90-day free trial, that's an easy way to just sign up, and you literally get to use it for 3 months. The only thing that I would say is, if you're doing these or doing these offers, definitely make a spreadsheet and write down what the offer is, when you signed up, and also when the trial ends. So that way you can, if you're not interested in keeping the trial, if you write down the date, when you signed up and how long it is, you can cancel it before you get charged. So that's something to keep in mind too. But these are a good way to earn points, and since a lot of these are free, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash, and there's also tons of them. Like AdGate Media. Oh my goodness. Like tons of these free trials. I would say that some of the offers, for example, let's see if I can find it. I've definitely seen that Pandora one in multiple offer walls. So if you aren't interested in trying one of these free trial things, check some of the offer walls and make sure you pick the one that gives you the most points, since you can only do it, once. Another thing I would say is, definitely with a lot of these survey websites, I always recommend, like, as soon as you reach the minimum, just withdraw your cash, because you never know what can happen. You never know if there's a glitch, or not that it happens, but if you get banned or something, you'd never want to keep, a bunch of money in your account. So just, since there is only a $1 minimum, if you are using this daily, withdraw daily as soon as you hit that $1. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience with SuperPayMe. So I love taking surveys. It's one of my favorite ways to make money. I don't really do like the offer walls too much, or the referral stuff, or the contests. I'm just usually interested in surveys. So I'm just going to talk about my experience with the SuperPayMe surveys. For me, I kind of got caught up in this popularity thing. So I was trying to only use the year surveys and CPX research, and I literally tried this for like 5 hours. And I was getting disqualified from almost every single survey. I don't know if it was my demographics or if I was just unlucky, but these were not working for me at all. I made $0. I actually had to start using the BitLabs, and there's another one. I can't remember if it was Opinion Capital, Tap Research, but these ones were actually giving me surveys that I could qualify for. But it was still a little difficult. I was still getting disqualified a little bit. And the pay rate for these, I found, weren't as great as some of the other websites I love, like Paid Viewpoint, American Consumer Opinion, Prolific. Those are some of my favorites. They pay really well. There's a ton of surveys available, and I don't get disqualified very much from those websites. So when I use SuperPayMe, it was a huge difference. I was getting disqualified a lot, and even the surveys that I did get qualified for, the pay rate wasn't that great. They were either super long and were only paying me, less than 50 cents, or it was just, they were short, but they were still only paying me like 10 to 20 cents for surveys. So overall, you can make money with Super Pay Me. It does work. If you are someone who's international, not in the US, UK, or Canada, maybe, and you can't use or aren't able to join survey websites like Paid Viewpoint, Pinecone, Prolific, and you want some way to earn money, I think Super Pay Me can be good for that. But if you are able to join those other survey websites, I would say join those first. And then once you exhaust that, if you find that you aren't getting that many surveys, or if you've already taken the surveys on that and you want another way to earn money, this could be a good like gap filler website to use. But I definitely personally wouldn't use this as my main website. So just being honest. If you are interested in this website, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. I will also leave a link to some alternatives if you're interested. So like the ones I mentioned, like Pinecone, Paid Viewpoint, etc. If you are interested in using that, let me know how it goes. And if you have used Super Pay Me before, I would love to know your experience. Was it similar to mine? Were you getting disqualified a lot for the surveys? Let me know. If you're interested in more content about making money online, passive income, I would love it if you subscribed. We try and do a video at least once per week. Thank you so much for watching.